Okay, I got it. I got this.
You got it.
I got this. Freeze! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. And for those of you who've been here for a while, I appreciate you. And I'm so happy to have you back. Today we are doing another hair review video. I know you guys love my hair review videos. I'm going to show you some highlights from the installation and also talk about the pros and the cons like I usually do in my videos. Today I'm reviewing the Model Glance Braid Wavy Feathered Twist 16 inches. This is what I'm rocking in my hair today, and I am super excited to talk all about it and let you guys know how I'm liking it. I have had it for like almost a week now. How I'm liking it. We're talking about the pros, we're talking about the cons, and would I recommend this hair? So as you guys know, I do my own crochet, so that is nothing new. I did the crochet the usual way. I will show you some clips below. And so the installation itself was pretty good. The hair actually did not come like this. The hair came in like double twist or 2-strand twist, and they're very small and wavy. So after wearing it for a few days, I was kind of feeling like something different. So I went ahead and I untwisted it, and that is why it has that like crimped, wavy goodness going on right now. So I really like the length to begin with. However, the texture of this hair is not very soft and natural feeling. It's kind of like, it feels very straggly, I would say. But just by looking at it, you couldn't tell. So I am loving it so far. It took me about 1.5 hours for the installation, and afterwards I was able to kind of just fill in the areas that I needed to, and I have been rocking it ever since. So would I recommend this hair? Now, we've been in quarantine, and honestly, I have absolutely nowhere to be, but that doesn't mean that you cannot be fabulous in quarantine, okay? So I decided to do this installation. I'll be rocking it for however long this quarantine lasts in Arkansas. And I feel like I could rock this on a regular, if I was just going to work. I could rock it on date night. Like, it is a truly beautiful finish when you look at it. And it's kind of like, the texture itself is kind of like a natural twist out. But of course, you guys know it's not mine. But like I said, the feel of it is just not what I typically go for. To complete this look, I used 2 packs of this braid, and I think it's pretty full enough to where I don't have to add any more to it. So I do think just 2 packs that will be sufficient for a full look, like I'm rocking right here. And I got the color number 2. I typically go for like black or just number 1 or number 2 because that's just my preferred style. Sometimes if I go for something more ombre, it will be something like a more bronzed, burgundy type of vibe. So I'm not really like venturing into blonde or white or gray or none of that. Anyway, so I plan to wear this for a while. Eventually I might play around and probably cut it kind of like a bob because I kind of like that look. So I feel like if I cut it towards like my neck length, it will look really pretty. But for now, I think it is pretty good. Whenever I rock this hair, I do not wash my hair during that time. I will kind of like make sure I treat my scalp and make sure it stays moisturized and treat it while I'm wearing a protective style. If you want to do a protective style, I fully recommend this hair. If you feel like trying something different, of course it is nice, it is different. I've never tried a wavy feathered twist before, so this is like new for me. But it's kind of like right up my alley anyway because it really complements my face. So basically that is it for the review. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Have you guys tried this hairstyle before? Have you tried this crochet hairstyle before? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below as usual. And that is it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.